Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this video, we'll understand Darlington Emitter Follower experiment using Multisim. By the end of this video, you will understand how to build the circuit, select and configure all the components, perform AC sweep analysis, and interpret the magnitude plot. Let's get started. Open Multisim on your computer. As shown in the reference figure, we'll begin making the circuit connection. To choose any component, just right click and go to place components or select them directly from the component bar. For transistor, select the BJT NPN from the component bar and search for BC107BP. Next, choose resistors from the component bar. Just select and place them. Don't worry about their values yet. We'll adjust them as needed. From the basic selection, pick an electrolytic capacitor. Use two capacitors as coupling capacitor and one as bypass capacitor for stability. Add resistor for load resistance. Make all wire connections as shown in the figure to complete your circuit. Select the power source from the component menu. Choose both AC power and ground. Don't forget to select VCC from sources for biasing. Adjust the value of all components as per your experiment's design. Click on the output voltage line in Multisim and if it shows 7, select V7 as the output voltage node. Now go to Simulate, then Analysis and Simulation and select AC Sweep. In AC Sweep, Set the starting frequency to 1 Hz and the end frequency to 10 GHz. These frequencies will be used for plotting the magnitude plot along x-axis. Choose sweep type as decade. The number of points per decade should be 10. Set the vertical scale to decibels for the y-axis to display gain in decibels. Go to output, add output voltage V7 for analysis and press run. You will now get both magnitude and phase plot. Since we just need the magnitude plot, right click on the phase plot and delete it. To analyze the bandwidth, click show grid to display the plotted graph. Add cursors to the plot. Two cursors will appear. Place both cursors at peak value of magnitude plot. From this peak value, move 3 dB downward to determine your minus 3 dB plot. Right click on cursor 1 and choose set Y value towards left side to be 3 dB below the peak. Similarly, right click on cursor 2 and set its value towards right, which will be also 3 dB below the peak. Now both cursors are at minus 3 dB point from the value. The X value of first cursor gives the lower cutoff frequency, which is 49.576 Hz, and the second gives the upper cutoff frequency, which is 7.0387 MHz. The bandwidth is the difference between these two frequencies, so the calculated bandwidth is about 7.0387 MHz. This is about the analysis of Darlington Emitter Follower circuit in Multisim. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.